Are you a P2P merchant on Bitget, or maybe a newcomer that wanna be a merchant? As usual, Bitget has special rewards for you all. Be active and you can easily enjoy the benefits and rewards from partnering with Bitget. In this video I will explain it to you the rewards specifically. So without further ado, let's jump in. There is 3 type of task and 3 offering that suits this event, as this will allow merchants to achieve one of it easier. Here are the lists. Offer 1. Earn up to $500 in the first 2 weeks of becoming a merchant by completing P2P buy orders. Offer 2. Get $100 for completing orders at high volume and low prices. Offer 3. Earn up to $25 every week with Bitget P2P. Offer 1. Completing P2P buy orders will earn you up to $500 in the first 2 weeks. For every order that is completed within the first 2 weeks of becoming a merchant, new merchants might receive a $1 prize. Orders from independent users alone are tallied. To be eligible for the award, at least 25% of your orders must come from distinct users. Every 2 weeks, a $500 prize pool will be divided among new merchants on a first-come, first-served basis. This prize is also available to current merchants who haven't sold any USDT on Bitget P2P in the previous 60 days. For buy orders fulfilled during the first 2 weeks following their successful registration as a merchant on Bitget P2P, all new merchants are qualified to receive the prize. 1 week is defined as the current Monday to the next Monday. Only orders over 10 USDT will be counted. Offer 2. Get $100 for completing orders at high volume every week. The merchant who completes the highest number of orders with the highest volume in a week will get a $100 reward for that week. The merchant who completes the second highest number of orders with a high volume in a week will get a $75 reward for that week. The merchant who completes the third highest number of orders with a high volume in a week will get a $50 reward for that week. Merchants who have sold more than 7,500 USDT of assets in a week with at least 75 orders qualify for this offer. Merchants with the cheapest price will be given higher priority for rewards. At least 25% of your orders must be with unique users to get the reward. Only the top 3 merchants will receive rewards each week. 1 week is defined as the current Monday to the next Monday. Only orders over 10 USDT will be counted. Offer 3. Earn up to 25 USDT every week with Bitget P2P. How to get weekly rewards. 1. Complete at least 100 orders greater than 10 USDT with at least 50 different users in a week to get a 25 USDT weekly reward. 2. Complete at least 50 orders greater than 10 USDT with at least 25 different users in a week to get a 15 USDT weekly reward. The top 10 merchants from each market by USDT sell volume will get rewards every week. At least half of your orders must be from the Buy USDT page, selling USDT to users, to qualify for this reward. To be participants for this event, you must be a merchant on Bitget. So how do you become one? Sign up on Bitget. Click P2P section. Apply to be a merchant. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.